Hello everyone, I'm Calvin Samuel Stephen, and today I'll guide you through role-based access control (RBAC). We'll be seeing about the introduction to RBAC, its uses, components, real-life application, and how they are implementing RBAC in day-to-day life. So let's say it's RBAC. It's actually a powerful way to manage access in cloud system like Azure, ensuring the right people get the right permission. By the end, you will understand what RBAC is, why it's essential, and how to use it effectively. So, like for example, imagine you are at a gym. The front desk staff can check you in, right? But they can't access the manager's office. So that's actually what RBAC does in real life. So, what is RBAC? RBAC stands for Role-Based Access Control. It's a method used in cloud platform to decide who can access what. We create roles like reader, contributor, or admin and assign them to users or groups. So each role comes with a specific permission. So you only get access to what you need for your work. This keeps things simple, especially in big terms. For example, in a school, a teacher can grade assignments, right? Take the teacher as a contributor role who can grade assignments, but the student can only view their grades. They are like a reader role, so no one accidentally edits the principal files. So this is what RBAC means. So why do we need RBAC? RBAC is crucial for several reasons. It boosts security by blocking unnecessary access. It simplifies managing permission for hundred of users. So for hundreds of users, follows the least privilege rule, giving only what's needed and helps meet industry rules. This saves time and keeps data safe. So think of an online banking. You can check your balance, which is the reader, but only the bank manager can approve loans, like he's the administrator. So RBAC prevents me from accidentally moving your money. So next, what are the components of RBAC? The core components of RBAC are four main parts. First, they are users. Users individually needs access. Second is roles. A bundle of permission like viewer or editor. Third one is permission. What actions are allowed, like reading or writing. Fourth are the resources, the data or services being protected like files or apps. Together, they form a secure system. For example, on a cooking app, imagine I'm a user. My role is recipe viewer. My permission is to read recipes, and the resource is the recipe database, and I can't edit the app's code. That's for the developers. So now let's look at some real world scenario. Let's look at RBAC in action on Azure. A reader role lets you view resources like checking a cloud server status, but you cannot change it. From the word reader itself, we can identify that we can only view it, but we cannot change it. A contributor can create and manage resources like setting up a new app, but can't assign roles. And owner has full control, like including role assignments. For example, assigning a reader role to an intern means they can learn by observing without risking mistake. So let's see example at a tech startup, a new intern uses reader to watch how the website runs on Azure. The developer user contributor role to update the application, while the CTO as a owner decides who gets access and who shouldn't get the access. It's a teamwork made safe. So, implementing RBAC. To set up RBAC, start by defining roles based on jobs like IT support or data analyst. Use identity access management to assign these roles to users or groups. Regularly review and audit permission to avoid over access. Organize with resource groups and scope for better control. For example, in a hospital, doctors get a patient viewer role via identity access management, which is IAM. Nurses get updater for records. Monthly audits catch if someone's roles change. Say temperature staff who shouldn't see sensitive file. So if the temporary staff leaves, there won't be any problem. So that's it. And what we learned today is today we covered what RBAC is and its key parts. users, roles, permission, and resources. We saw why it's vital for cloud security and how to implement it with tools like Azure's identity access management. We explored a real life example and best practices like regular audits and role-based access control keeps cloud system secure and manageable. S- And it starts small and we can scale it up. Like organizing a family photo uh, example for application, mom use mother is the reader, dad uploads, so dad is the contributor, and I as the team can't delete everything. Owner limits, so it's RBAC at home. So thank you for your time and attention. Once again, thank you.